Yes, students. Now this is, you see, this is fractional number, worksheet 5. So we have to do this. I am reading out question number D. This is, Mr. Gupta had 15 by 5 liters of petrol in his car. He went for a drive. By the time he reached home, he had only 1 by 3 liters of petrol left. So how much petrol was used? Now you can see Mr. Gupta had got filled 15 by 5 liters of petrol in his car. So quantity of petrol in the car is equal to 15 by 5 liters. This is the statement you have to write. Now when he went for a drive and when he reached home, only 1 by 3 liters of petrol left. So this is the second statement. Petrol left is equal to 1 by 3 liters. Now petrol used is petrol in the car minus petrol left after using from it. So that is petrol used. Petrol in the car is 15 by 5 and petrol left is 1 by 3. Now what is the first thing we do? We convert this two mixed number into improper fraction and then we have to subtract. So let us do your rough side. This is your rough side. So 15 into 5 plus 2 is the numerator. So here you can see this is 5 in denominator. You will multiply with the whole number 15. So 15 into 5 and then you add numerator 2. So it is numerator 15 into 5 is 75 plus 2 is 77. And the denominator would be just 5, which is the already a denominator. So 77 by 5 is the first numerator. Here we write, and then second fraction in similar way we convert. This is 1 by 3. So come to rough side and convert this 1 by 3 here. So we do 2 into 3 plus 1. 2 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7 by 3. That we write here this side. So this is 77 by 5 minus 7 by 3. Now we have to take out the LCM of 5 and 3. We know these two are prime numbers. So LCM will be just multiply this two. 5 3s are 15 is the LCM. So now convert both the fraction into like fraction with the denominator 15, which is LCM. So how we convert? We multiply 5 by 3 to get it 15 in denominator. So 5 into 3 in denominator. So similar way we multiply 3 in numerator. And we do 77 into 3 rough side is 231 we are getting after multiplication. So this is 231 by 15. Now the second fraction is 7 by 3. Now 3 we can convert into 15 by multiplying 5. So 3 5s are 15. So 7 5s are 35. So here we write in place of 77 by 5, 231 by 15, and in place of 7 by 3 we write 35 by 15, and then we have to subtract after converting into mixed number. So just after converting it into like fraction. So just to subtract, we subtract 231 minus 35, that is 196 by 15. Now this is improper fraction, and now to convert this improper fraction we have to divide it and we get it into mixed number. So we divide rough side. Rough side is 15 1s are 15 and 19 minus 15 is 4. Just below note down 6 and 15 3s are 45 and remainder is 1. So this is 13 1 by 15. So we write this 13 1 by 15 liters of petrol used. Mr. Gupta used 13 1 by 15. So now students, you have to note down this whole solution into your copy. You may pause this video here and note down the solution before going to the next question. So now come to the next question number E. Question number E is, Mrs. Kumar bought 2 by 5 liters potatoes, 2 kg onions and 2 by 5 kg tomatoes from the market. So find the total weight of vegetables Miss Kumar bought. Now it is very easy, very simple. The weight of potatoes, onion and tomatoes you have to add to get the total weight of vegetables. So write down, to find the total weight of vegetables we have to find the sum of 2 by 5 kg potatoes, 2 kg onions and 2 by 5 kg tomatoes. So that we do, but we have to learn the method of addition. So you have to convert this 2 by 5 into improper fraction. You can do this. Multiply this denominator 5 into 2 whole number. 5 2 ja 10 plus 2 is 12 by 5. Second fraction is 2 only, it is whole number, so convert into fraction. Just write 1 in the denominator because all numbers are divisible by 1 gives 2 only. So 2 can be written as 2 by 1. And the third fraction is 1 2 by 5. So multiply 1 by 5, 1 5 ja 5 and plus 2 is 7. This is numerator 7 by 5 as we have done in previous question. Now you see, LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. So we convert all into like fractions. So first and third is already with 5 and so we need to convert this 2 by 1. Now 1 will become 5 when we multiply 5. So 1 into 5 is 5. Then in numerator 2 into 5 is 10. So this is the way we have converted 2 by 1 into 10 by 5. So now this is like fraction. Now add it. 12 plus 10 plus 7. 12 plus 10 is 22 plus 7 29 by 5. Now convert into mixed number. Just rough side divide this 29 by 5. 5 5 ja 25. So 5 is the whole number and then 29 minus 25 is 4. This is denominator, that will this is remainder, that will come in numerator, and as you have divided by 5 which is divisor. So it is 5 4 by 5. So just do it rough side to convert into mixed number. You will get 5 4 by 5 kg total vegetables Miss Kumar bought. Okay. So now you have to note down this. Just pause the video here. You can note down the whole solution, and before that you have to revise also. Read the question once or twice to understand. And as all the process you have done before by how to convert into mixed number and converting them into like fractions and then adding. So this way you solve this question number E. Okay. Now come to F number. F number is Neha used 1 by 2 meter red ribbon, 3 by 4 meter yellow ribbon and 1 meter white ribbon. So you have to, she has used all these different colors of ribbon for her project. So what is the total length of ribbon she has used for her project? We know to find the total we need to add how much is red, how much is yellow and how much is white. So you have to add total, you have to get the total length of the ribbon. So just write down length of red ribbon, length of yellow ribbon and length of white ribbon respectively. You write down the numbers for that. Red is 1 by 2, yellow is 3 by 4 and white is 1. This is all in meter. So to find the total we have to find the sum. Now let's see how we sum. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 plus 1. So 1 by 2, convert again this mixed number into improper fraction. 1 into 2 plus 1. So 1 into 2 is 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 plus 3 by 4 plus 1. 1 is again whole number, we write it as 1 by 1 like in fraction form. Now 2, 4 and 1, what would be the LCM? You can guess. This is just 4 is the bigger number which will come in the table of 2 and 1 both. So 4 should be the LCM. So we write down LCM of 1, 2 and 4 is 4. And then we add. Now you see how we do, how we add. This is 2, 4 and 1. Now 3, 2. 2 in denominator of 3. So just multiply 2 by 2. Then you will get denominator 4. So you have to multiply this by numerator also. So 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6. So 6 by 4 is the first fraction. 3 by 4 is the second fraction. And 1 by 1. So we multiply denominator 1 by 4 to get it as 4. So numerator also multiplied by 4. Now it is all converted into like fractions. Easily you can add. 6 plus 3 plus 4, 6 3 9 plus 4 is 13 by 4. Again it is improper fraction, so we convert into mixed number. So divide this 13 by 4, 4 3s are 12. So 13 minus 12 is 1. So 1 will be in numerator and 4 3s are. So 3 will be the whole number, and then you have divided by 4, which is divisor. So this you can do in rough also or directly also. Directly would be like this: 4 3s are 12, so 3 you will write here. Then 13 minus 12 is 1, remainder you will write in numerator, and as you have divided by 4, 4 in denominator. This is a mental calculation you can do. You should practice that also, or if not you can do in rough side. Okay, so Neha used 3 1/4 meter length of ribbon. So I hope you have understood, because this type of what problems you have previously also you have done, you are explained by writing. So now you can note down this solution, and when you have doubt you can personally ask me also, okay, through WhatsApp. And I hope you will do all the 3 sums in your notebook. And thank you. Ask your doubts, do ask your doubts, then we will proceed for the next chapter. Thank you, students.